Hey, girls. What y'all doing?
We are eating our cookies.
Enjoying the room?
Mm-hmm.
Let's start with the view, since it is so pretty. It is right by the Bicentennial Mall. You can see the Capitol buildings. The old church down there. I don't know if I can get you guys to see, but there's a food truck festival going on down on the street. We're off of 4th. We're in the DoubleTree by Hilton. Got just a standard room. It's got 2 double beds. Are they comfy? You've already been laying on one. And then Emma found the nicest little cozy chair over here with a little side table to demolish her little cookie.
Yeah, they gave us 4.
That we got as well. There's none left. I guess they ate them all.
They're in a bag.
They give you a cookie as you come in and check in.
Warm.
All right. So, yes, it was warm. So we have a nice mirror with a light. So somebody could be getting ready over here. We won't be here very long. Pretty nice sized TV. Underneath here, there is a refrigerator with a clear door, which is kind of nice. And down below, we have our Keurig coffee maker, some coffee pods, and just a couple of empty drawers around the cabinet over here. There's a desk area. We kind of have just sprawled everything out everywhere. The desk area is pretty good storage underneath too if you need some bags to be stowed away. And then we have the lamp on the desk has 2 outlets. I think we've seen this lamp in many DoubleTrees by Hilton. 2 outlets, no USBs over here. But
Mom.
over beside the bed, we have similar lamp, 2 outlets, and behind it, 2 outlets and 2 USBs. So if you're needing to plug your stuff,
There's a
yes,
There's,
we have outlets behind the TV.
USB outlet.
4 USBs.
4 USBs. That's awesome. So if you have a lot of electronics to charge up, you have 2 outlets behind Emma under the mirror too. And then this way we have these doors. When they're closed, you have 2 full-length mirrors. And then when you open, it's a pretty good sized bathroom. Standard bathroom for Hilton. It's very nice, very clean. I like the glass doors instead of a curtain. They use the Crabtree and Evelyn, which is one of my favorites. It looks like the shower head detaches too. That's going to be nice. If I take a good shower. And then you have some lotion over here. I always think of the place you stayed in, Fort Lauderdale. You didn't know how to do the soaps and the lotions. That's so funny. He sent me a video. He's like, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to make the soap come out.
This is important. You don't hang clothes from the sprinklers.
And the fact that they have to tell you that means someone has done that. So, and then across from the bathroom, you have a great size closet. See, we've already stowed a lot of our luggage. You have your safe, ironing board, an iron, coat rack. There's a folding luggage rack in there. So it is for one night for us. This is a little small for us for longer than that. So, but I think it'll do. We're not going to be in here much. We're fixing to go explore downtown. We got a ball game to go to tonight. That's going to be exciting. The Nashville Sounds. America baseball, the 4th of July week. So, all right, I'm going to leave you guys with the view.
Did you see the Capitol
Downtown. Yeah, we already showed them. Oh, there is an outlet over here if you have more things to plug in. But, all right, so that's our view off the 8th floor, room 817. We're right across from the public square garage, too. But we valet parked, so I think you have to here. All right, have a great day.